There's a lot of information out there about money. The advice provided can be hard to digest or understand when been overwhelmed by all the information. Unfortunately, most information out there is either outdated or not as reliable as one may think. But what if there was a guide that would very quickly get you the information you're wanting? Laid out fast, simple, and straight to the point. Not only that, but helping you learn the correct information the first time when starting out learning everything about money. If you're planning to learn about money correctly the first time, then you need to start with having a strong mindset. So, what you're needing is a guide that can provide you with everything to help fast track your knowledge on this topic. This is a guide that will help you learn what you've been searching for and to create the correct mindset to achieve your goals for not only today, but for the long term too. There are so many products available for teaching you about money, making it a challenge to know what's the best information. These resources can be helpful, and it's a great idea to research each one of them to know what will work best for you and what advice you should be following. But what you're needing is a convenient all in one resource that will help you to become more knowledgeable in this subject, so you'll always remain one step in front of your goals. That's why this new guide, all about the language of money, is a guide that covers all these topics in one. This is an easy to follow guide, and anyone can use it to start learning everything there is to know about this subject. So, whether you've already started to learn all about this subject or you're just beginning, then this guide will walk you through the main principles to help you master everything there is to know about this topic. Don't wait and end up missing out. Grab your copy now by clicking the button below to gain instant access today.